Next, we're going to have you start to have your investigation into the interaction of atoms with page 6, a couple more bobs. If you remember, the bob is the mass at the end of a pendulum. We have this phenomenon here.
Phenomena.
Water can be pulled toward a balloon, and hair can get rather wild when interacting with charged objects. Here we see some wild hair. This is Nora having some fun outside, getting the hair all statically charged, looks like on a trampoline. This is what we mean by the water being pulled. A little better look at what we mean by this pulling, this attraction. Here's an animated GIF showing a charged object that is being brought near this water stream and seems to be attracted to that charged object. To help you refine your thoughts here about the interaction of charged objects, you're going to be working with foam cups. And if you have a neighbor directly at your table, go ahead and pair up. If you have someone immediately in front of you, behind of you, relative to each other, you can pair up as well. And what you're going to do with these foam cups is many of them have tape and thread already. Go ahead and use that. And you're going to tape the cups so they swing with equal frequencies. So that should alert you to your 2 study guides ago. Here we go. Pendulums. Something with the same frequency is the same length. So you're going to take 2 of the foam cups and you're going to tape them up. Probably best to tape them under the desk, as you'll have a better surface for the tape to stick to. Make sure that the 2 cups are fairly close to each other. You don't have to have them touching each other, but pretty close. And you have 2 of the foam cups. And your mission is to describe the process that you figured out to get the cups so that they repel each other. They push away from one another when you try and bring one to the other. And then describe the process you followed to get the cups to attract one another. One would immediately move to the other. So 2 different processes, repulsion and attraction. As you're investigating the way that you charge up these foam cups, think about putting that into words that someone else could follow your tips on how to get the foam cups to repel and attract one another.